Welcome to the international biomedical job updates of UK, Ireland, Sweden, and New York. Company name Aussie SI Education and Research Center, Beaumont Hospital. Location Dublin, Ireland. Contract or duration is specified purpose contract for up to 16 months. University Association Research Assistant Salary Scale is provided. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name Medax. Location Sudan, United Kingdom. Position Biomedical Scientist. Salary $21 to $24 per hour. Recommends HCPC registration, degree in biomedical sciences, full UK right to work. You can directly apply through this given contact. Next, company name Pulse Jobs. Role biomedical scientist, hematology or transfusion. Position biomedical scientist. Location London. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name the Genesis Enter Solutions. Location Nuneaton, United Kingdom. Role Biomedical Engineering Services Manager. Requirements UK or EU driving license is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given contact number. Next, company name Royal College of Surgeons in Ireland or CSI. Position postdoctoral researcher in bioengineering. Location country Dublin. Qualification PhD in biomedical engineering or related field. Experience, expertise in biomaterials. You can directly apply through this given details. Next, company name Icon Clinical Research Limited. Positions outcomes researcher. Location country Dublin. Qualifications PhD in biomedical engineering in life sciences or related field. Experience, research experience in health related fields. You can directly apply the given details. Next, company name TTM Healthcare Solutions. Position medical scientist, new graduates. Location not Dublin. Qualification degree in biomedical science or equivalent. Experiences open to new graduates. You can directly contact through this website. Next, company name NHS Trust. Positions biomedical scientist. Location Bay B15 2TG. Qualification and experience degree in biomedical science and HCPC registration is mostly preferred. You can directly apply through this given website. Next, company name Medox Healthcare. Position biomedical scientist, bond 6 histopathology. Location Sutton, London. SN2 5PT. Qualification and experience is HCPC registration and experience in histopathology is mostly preferred. Next, company name XYZ Medical Research Center. Job title Biomedical Scientist. Location London and UK. Job type full time or permanent. You can directly apply through this given contact details. Next, company name UPMC. Job title Biomedical Technician. Location UPMC Whitefield Hospital, Waterford in Ireland. Job type permanent. Qualification biomedical engineering. You can directly contact through this given number. Next, company name Asia UK and Ireland Limited. Job title Biomedical Engineer. Location London, England. Qualification biomedical engineering. You can directly apply. You have the experience 2 to 5 years in relevant field. Next, organization name University of Dublin. Position postdoctoral research. Qualification PhD in biomedical engineering. Project title Mechano Immunomodulatory Strategies for Bone Fracture Repair. Job type temporary. You can directly apply through this given details. Follow for more updates on international biomedical job updates. Thank you very much.